It's our great pleasure to welcome all of you to this evening, and I hope you are having a good time, wonderful time, and I want to thank all of you for your blessing, for your good wishes for this newlywed couple.
Thanks each and everyone for being here and blessing this newlywed couple. Thank you. I got a lot of friends and relatives who helped us a lot all along for days, weeks, months, maybe a year for making these events go very smooth. Thank you. And also, I got a lot of friends and relatives who came from across the country and overseas. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Shruti wants something done from Harish. She really wants something done from Harish. What do you think Shruti auntie needs to do to get that done?
She should say the secret password. See, whenever Chickappa hugs and attacks me, he will not let me go. But if I really want him to listen to me and let me go, I just say the secret password. It's usually something like, I love you so much, Chickappa.
Hi everyone, we just wanted to say thank you so much for coming out today. We're so happy to see everyone, especially there's so many people here we haven't seen in a long time, and it's nice that we can get together. We just wanted to take a moment to thank our parents who have put so much hard work into planning this event with us.
What's the matter with you? Money isn't everything, you think so?